Detailing your car can be one of the most satisfying and instantly gratifying projects you can do. If you're like me, you want that high shine that you get from a fresh cut and buff. That's why my go-to unit is the Eastwood 6-inch orbital polisher. This unit is great for the beginner because it has a 9mm orbital throw, which basically means there's more forgiveness when you're polishing a vehicle because it's not going to heat up the paint as quickly as a rotary unit would. The powerful 7.5 amp motor allows you to wax, buff, and polish your vehicle. It is variable speed from 2000 to 6400 RPM, which is great because you can make sure you have the right amount of power and avoid paint surface damage or burn through. It also has a soft start feature so you don't throw compound all over yourself or your garage. The standard 5/16 by 24 Arbor makes it easy to change out accessories depending on the job at hand. It comes with a D handle, which is great for those larger areas where you're going to be running the machine for an extended period of time, or it comes with a side handle for more intricate work. This unit accepts all 6-inch hook and loop pads, and we even included a 6-inch polishing pad off the start so you can get working right away. For more information on this unit or any other detailing products we offer, you can follow the link to visit eastwood.com.